Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hey, if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. I have an audacious goal of growing my portfolio by 30% per month for the next year, and I want to bring you along on the journey with me. Today, I want to talk about one of my trades that I've been swing trading quite a bit. It's IPOB. IPOB is down. Over the last week, they're down 17%. So I want to talk about that, okay? I bought in again at like $21 a share. We talked about that last week. And now they're at $19.18 per share. They dropped to like 18 something. They dropped to 18.56 today. So I want to talk about a strategy that I have when I have a high conviction trade, okay? I have a high conviction on IPOB in the long term. So what did I do today when the stock dropped more? Okay, I've been trading a couple other stocks that haven't been moving very fast. I've been trading Aquestive, I've been trading Aqua Bounty, I've been trading, let's see, I think those are the two that I sold today. So I sold Aquestive for a little bit of a profit. I sold Aqua Bounty today for a little bit of a profit as well. And I put that money and the profits that I had from those trades into IPOB, and that allowed me to average down into my trade, and I lowered my cost per share by $1 per share. So I'm back under $21. I'm in the, right at around $20. So my kids are playing outside right now in the snow. So if you hear any screaming, that's what's going on. Because again, I film in my garage. It's nice and chilly here in Minnesota today, and I'm kind of a sweaty dude, so it's nice to be filming in my garage. But back to IPOB. So IPOB is up back to 1924 from 1856 today. So when I have a high conviction for a trade, and hey, I may be wrong. IPOB could go way, way down, or it could go way, way up. We don't know when we trade, right? But it's important to have low conviction or high conviction or some sort of conviction when you're trading. I have high conviction in IPOB, so I'm willing to put more money into this trade. And I think IPOB could move really, really quickly over the next couple weeks. And what I'll do is pull some of those profits out and put them back into companies like Aquestive or Aqua Bounty that may move a little bit slower. So that's kind of my goal with IPOB, and I wanted to talk about that today. A lot of the Spac space right now is being hit really, really hard. Jim Cramer came out and said a lot of bad things about Spacs, and the Spac space is just being crushed. If you look at, some of the Spacs that a lot of us follow is DPHC, Diamond Peak Holdings. They're merging with Lordstown Motors, and Lordstown Motors they have a ton of pre-orders already, 40,000 plus pre-orders for their pickup trucks, and a ton of revenue, and it's a really good company. But DPHC is down 8% just today. Just today they're down. Over the last week, very similar to IPOB, they're down 17%. So Spacs are being hit really, really hard this week, and DPHC is down 32% over the last month. So pay attention to Spacs and in general right now, because a lot of them are being hit really hard. And if there is a Spac out there that you believe in, like IPOB, like I believe in, like Diamond Peak Holdings, that's going to, I think next week, turn into Lordstown Motors. If you believe in these companies, it may be a good time to buy. I buy on red days. That's when I load up on stocks, and that allows me to be a little bit more aggressive and take a little more risks, and a lot of those risks end up paying off. Again, I'm trying to grow my portfolio by 30% per month for the next year, and I want to bring you along on that journey. So if you're not already, please consider subscribing. I would appreciate it a lot, and hit that like button down below if you found some value in this video. Again, if you haven't already, please click that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.